Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change and customize your Roblox cursor. First of all, open the web browser. Select your email to continue to your account. Search Icons 8 here. Click to open the site. Then search Cursor here. Scroll down the page and select the icon. Open the icon and click on the download button. Set the PNG sizes. Select the option Custom Size 64 by 64. Deselect the rest of the options. Then click on the download button. Press the Show in Folder option from the downloaded image. You can see the downloaded icon in folders. Right-click on Roblox, then press Open File Location. Click on the Content file. From the Content file, click to open the Textures folder. Then open the Cursors folder. Open the Keyboard Mouse folder from here. Click on the image to copy its name. Then open the folder where you download the icon. Rename this icon and paste the name you copied earlier. Right-click on this image to copy. Paste it back in the Keyboard Mouse folder. If you paste the image here, it shows Replace the file in the destination. Then click on the Continue button. Now you can see the downloaded image here. Right-click on the second image to copy. Then right-click in this folder. Select the Paste option. Click to continue. After that, right-click on the third image. Rename the image and remove its name. Click on the second image, then rename it as arrow@far_cursor.png. Open the folder and see the images. Delete the extra image. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.